So you actually have, tell me about these things.
So these, they're called leashes. You can kind of see the name on them.
A template.
And yeah,
Tell
basically.
me, how does this template work?
So this right here,
Yeah.
which is the same deal as the last one, it shows you the spacings and the depths for them.
Oh my
And
gosh.
so after we pick it and we get it turned, we can decode them in order to cut you a key.
How cool is that? So you can actually cut me a key.
It's a dual
get a
purpose.
template.
Well, we just open it when we're opening it. But
Yeah.
if you were to call me out in order to make a key, we
okay.
would.
Oh, so
We would
you
do
can
it
use it
and
to
then
pick it
use
or to
it,
make it.
Yep.
So now you set it.
It is a 2-in-1.
What are you doing now to set this thing?
I'm just pushing it in there.
Yeah.
And then applying tension. And then you go
Just like
to...
a lockpick, basically.
Yep, it's exactly like a lockpick.
And what are you feeling right now?
And then, so I'm feeling 4 wafers, which this lock isn't going to be
Wafers,
super good to demonstrate.
Is that a
it.
term like a tumbler?
Yeah,
Like a regular lock?
it's an irregular lock. It would be a tumbler. And so what I'm looking for is one that doesn't bounce back.
Oh, wow. Because they have springs in them too, just like tumbler systems?
Yep. Yeah, which this one is. Might have to lube it up a little bit, but you can see
Yeah, it's pretty
that's
sticky
more
lock.
than just... See, but that one there, it gets stuck, so I pop it up a little bit.
Oh, so
That one there is stuck.
What holds them up then?
The pressure that
Oh,
I'm
the
applying.
tension, just like a
Yep,
lock.
that's exactly why tension is needed.
Oh, yeah, just like picking a lock. Is this thing cool? I never saw anything like this.
Yeah, these usually go pretty good, but
This is an old
I might
truck.
have to get some.
Yeah, old truck that might be sticky because I really never lube the locks.
One still.
You gotta go top and bottom, huh?
2. Yep, cars have opposing.
And then you actually have a number pattern. Are you looking at which one it is, top and bottom, and trying to match it, or?
No, because I don't actually know what the pattern is to the car.
Gotcha. But if you knew, you
If
could
I
go
knew,
there.
you could. Yep. And a lot of this is kind of like when you're first starting out and you're learning how to do this.
There it is, just like that.
Let's see if I just...
How cool is that?
And so now that it's turned, because there's a housing in there,
Yeah.
I can go down and I could tell you, I think it was on the top here,
You could
that your
record what the
first
key
cut is either a 2 or a 3. And as I kind of go, and then we have a program
Yeah.
that we enter in the numbers, and then it'll give us all possible cuts that could work it.
Yeah.
Cut a few keys till we get one that turns the door in the ignition, and there you go.
And you
That's
guys
all
tell
there is
me
to it.
MJB Lock
MJB
Services.
Lock Services, yep.
Cool. I'm gonna put this on YouTube, man. This is just that cool.